Hey everybody, welcome back. I look crazy again, I know. I, for some reason, used a different blush today. I had been using this Benefit Cosmetics one, which is just like a really nice peach. And then today I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics one. And I went into this middle shade, super hard. And this is the result. I used this brush too, and I just, yeah, it was a lot. So look a little bit crazy, actual clown like, but that's okay. Today I just want to play with this tart. This reminds me of the Tartist palette, that's why. Tammi X Revolution Tropical Carnival palette. So like this design, I don't know how to do it, but I want to do it on my eyes. Like the, oh, I can't open it, there we go. Just like the actual powder, like as if it looks like it was flicked onto the eye. So that's the palette. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do this on my face, and we shall see how that goes. So I just have just the regular old face makeup on. I wonder if I can just stick this here. Okay, and then we can kind of still see the shade names. So I don't really know how to do that, so I'm hoping if I just take a brush, dip it in, and just like, it'll work. So fingers crossed. I'm not gonna like, I don't know. We're just gonna see. Let's just start and see how the first color goes, and then we'll go from there. So I've already got blue on this. This brush is like dyed blue, so I'm just gonna go into this blue color, which is called Shortney. And yeah, I'm just gonna like stab it and hope for the best. Let's just like splotch it into this corner here. Just kind of, I don't know. It's not going to be like exactly this kind of design, but just getting the color on anyways. On the same kind of spot on both eyes. I feel like it'll look okay if it's just kind of like messy. I don't know. Let's just go in with a bunch of colors and see. What goes good with blue? There's a yellow one called, nope, it's French. Can't read that. So let's just, actually this brush has yellow on it. It's not the same type of brush, but we're gonna go for it anyways. And just like maybe up here. I feel like if these were wet, which I don't know, I really don't know if that would even work, but if you kind of just like flung it. I did that when I was a kid to my bedroom. We did, we took toothbrushes and we put paint on them and we just kind of like flung it at the walls. And then that was like my wall paint as a kid in my bedroom. Okay, so blue, yellow. There's a nice green here called Definitely. We'll put that. Actually, let's grab this pink. Pink Panther. I really have no rhyme or reason here, you guys. I just want to play around with these colors, to be honest. We're just going to dab that one in here. Hope for the best. It's already like late. It's 7:45. I worked all day. And now this is me relaxing. Okay, this side needs a little bit more in there. It's not gonna be what I was hoping for, but I think it's still gonna be cute. There's a, like I said, this one's called Definitely. It's kind of like a teal. I'm just gonna go like this with my eyes. And dab this here. I'm kind of liking this. I like it. I think it looks cute so far. I feel like we definitely need a little bit more Pink Panther in there though. On both eyes. Hey kiddo. What you doing? Oh, my throat just made a really weird noise. And also on this one, I'm just gonna, my arm is sore today. Quickly throw in a little bit more just to bring this blue out a slight bit on both eyes. Okay. Now we've got pink there, so let's do Calypso. Yeah, Calypso. It's like a lime green. Get that on the brush and put that right in here. Oh, it's very, very light. Can we see it? Kind of. Some of it, like some of my friends, when they watch, they're like, oh, you need to like teach me how to put makeup on and how to do makeup. And I'm like, there is literally no right way. I mean, there's a right way to do this, but there's no right way to do this if you just want to have fun. You just go and you do. And you either like it or you don't. But the process is always fun. There is a purple shade called Girlies. Girlies, I think I would like to do, ooh. Girlies will be this right here. In corner. And then there's like one more spot to put some makeup. I feel like that side got way dark and then this one just didn't. Okay, I didn't leave much room on that side, but there is a orange called Spice Island. And very nice. Let's just kind of splotch that right here. I think I'm gonna have to go back over with Definitely again on at least this eye, because I feel like I've just covered it with this one. Also, this purple needs to go up slightly on both sides. On both sides. Okay. Maybe I'll just try to even that out. Excuse me. Do a quick little dab. This green one that I chose, is that this one? It's so light. I mean, I guess it is like a shimmer shade though. Okay. So far this is what we have. Let's just do one shade. Or should I, oh no, I just pop the top off a brush. We can glue that back together. Because there's still like a different green and a red, but I feel like that's just gonna look too Christmassy. So there's also a different blue. It's called Chanel. I don't know. I'm just gonna run that one kind of right here. Touch. Oh, you can really see the red. Went way overboard on those cheeks. Okay, so I've got some blue there. Now, ooh, that went in my eye. I moved my brushes over there instead of up top, so it's easier now. This red is called Trini, and that one I'm just gonna bring over here. There. When I do these looks, I mean, honestly, I would, like I said in one of my older videos, I would probably wear literally anything outside for makeup. I just truly don't care if somebody wants to like make fun of me for the way my makeup looks. That's a little bit ridiculous, but as long as I had fun doing it, that's literally all that matters. So yeah, I would probably wear this out because why not? I mean, it's not gonna hurt anybody to wear something out that's fun. Let's just try to get some of this extra out of there. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna put a liner on because why not? Because it looks dark, or it looks not dark, it looks light without one. So this is just that dragon one from from yesterday that I don't remember the brand. Is Dragon the brand? Let's see. When I first came up here to start filming today, Bud was like all over me, and now he's just disappeared. He must be sleeping. Okay. I would like a wing. My problem is my eyes are so, I've got so much like extra skin on my eyes that it just looks weird. Concentrate. Not bad. Okay. Takes a lot out of you. Now, this eye. Legit, this is like the part that takes me the most time when I'm doing my makeup, is trying to put on eyeliner in like a straight line. And I can only do it with these pens. When it's like an actual one where you have to like a nail polish bottle kind, if that even makes any sense, I can't do it. Okay, now to do this wing again. Is that even? Literally not even close. This one's like up and this one's like depressed looking. Let's just add some. Okay, close enough. We don't demand perfection. It's just unrealistic. Okay, let's throw this on. I feel like this would be like a really fun look to wear to like a children's birthday party. Just putting that out there for anybody who's not still currently in a lockdown situation and has a children's birthday party coming up. If my niece is able to have a birthday party, I feel like I might come back and visit this look. That's like not for another 6 months, but I feel like it'll be fun. And I feel like she'll enjoy seeing it, which makes it worthwhile. Okay. These lashes. I looked into getting a lash lift kit from Amazon. They're not that expensive, and I think I might get one because, like, these lashes, you guys, oh, they drive me insane. And if I could get them to go up where they belong, my life would be like a million times easier. Okay, done. Done. Now, lipstick. Let's we've got a lot of funky colors going on. Should we just do like, I don't know, this green kind of matches this. Why not? Yesterday when I was filming, I realized after, because I was watching it back, that I was like putting my lipstick on and like the mirror was like fully like this, so you couldn't see anything anyway. So I gotta pay more attention to what is going on in front of me. Although I also had a cat yesterday kind of bugging me, which doesn't help. I don't know why, I just love weird lipstick colors. Anything not your normal everyday kind of color is definitely for me. I'm all about it. And yes, I do put lipstick on weird, but it works for me. And I got none on my teeth. Yeah. Okay. Chill out. So this is it. This is what we're working with. So, I mean, it looks kind of fun. I mean, I'm just going to say that. There we go. Get some actual lighting going on here. Lots of different colors happening. I mean, I think it looks fun. I think it looks cool. I think it worked out not exactly how I had planned, but like, I'm down for it. I mean, I don't hate it. Do you? Do you hate it? I don't hate it. So, love this palette. Definitely going to be playing with it like a ton in the future, because this is like just all sorts of everything for me right now. It's fun. It's fun. That's all I can say. Dude, I need to sleep. So yeah, this was the Tammi X Revolution. I don't know who Tammi is. Somebody tell me who Tammi is. Whatever it is, she's got funky style, and I'm here for it. So, I'm assuming it's a woman. I shouldn't assume. But yeah, you can like, comment, and subscribe if you feel the need to do so. And I'll see you guys in a different video. Like I said yesterday, if nobody gets to the ends of these anyways, but I do have a haul, a Shein haul coming up, probably 2 or 3 of them, because I kind of went a little bit overboard on my order. So yeah, those will be coming up within the month of February, and then just some more funky makeup, because I got a ton of palettes to go through, and it's a lot. There's a lot going on. So have a lovely day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.